Hello, everyone. Are you tired of diets that promise quick results but leave you feeling frustrated and defeated? Do you want to lose weight in a way that's healthy, realistic, and sustainable? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down a step by step guide to healthy weight loss through sustainable lifestyle changes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to make small but impactful changes that will not only help you lose weight but keep it off for good. Let's start by clearing up a common misconception. Weight loss doesn't have to be a race. In fact, the most effective weight loss happens gradually. When you focus on sustainable changes, you're not just shedding pounds temporarily, you're making lifelong improvements to your health. Quick fixes like crash diets or excessive workouts might work for a while, but they are often hard to maintain. What's worse, they can lead to yo yo dieting, where you lose weight only to gain it all back, and sometimes even more. Instead, sustainable weight loss is about making small, consistent changes in your daily routine. Changes you can stick with for the long haul. Think of it this way: you didn't gain weight overnight, so you shouldn't expect to lose it overnight either. Aim for a slow and steady approach, like losing 1 to 2 pounds a week, which is considered healthy and manageable. Now that we have set the stage, let's talk about nutrition. The corner the cornerstone of any successful weight loss journey. You have probably heard the saying, you can't out exercise a bad diet. And it's true. The food you eat plays a crucial role in how you lose weight and how you feel during the process. First thing first, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods that are as close to their natural form as possible, like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, etc. etc. These foods are nutrient dense, meaning they provide lot of vitamins and minerals without many calories. Portion control is another key factor. It's easy to overeat, especially when we are served large portions at restaurants or events. One small trick is to use smaller plates and be mindful of your hunger cues. Eat until you are satisfied, not stuffed. And let's not forget about hydration. Drinking water throughout the day not only keeps you hydrated but also helps control hunger. Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Lastly, consider meal prepping. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid last minute unhealthy choices. Plus, it saves time and stress during the week. While nutrition is crucial, exercise is the perfect partner to help you reach your weight loss goals. But don't worry, you don't need to spend hours in the gym. The key is to find a form of exercise you enjoy so it becomes a regular part of your routine. Start with something simple like walking. Walking is a low impact exercise that's easy to incorporate into your daily life. Aim for like 30 minutes a day, which can be broken down into smaller chunks if needed. As you get more comfortable, consider adding strength training to your routine. Building muscle not only tones your body but also increases your metabolism, meaning you will burn more calories even at rest. Don't forget about flexibility and balance exercises like yoga or stretching, which help prevent injuries and keep your body limber. And here's a tip: consistency is more important than intensity. I repeat, consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to do moderate exercises regularly than to overexert yourself and risk burnout or injury. Weight loss isn't just about diet and exercise, it's also about what's going on in your head and heart. Stress, poor sleep, and negative emotions can all sabotage your efforts if left unchecked. Let's talk about stress first. High level of stress can lead to emotional eating, where you turn to food for comfort rather than nutrition. Learning to manage stress through techniques like mindfulness, deep breathing, or even simple hobbies can make a huge difference. Sleep is another critical factor. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger, leading to overeating. Aim like for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss goals. And lastly, be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Weight loss is a journey with ups and downs. Instead of getting discouraged by setbacks, celebrate your progress. No matter how small, set realistic goals and remind yourself that this is about long term health, not just a number on the scale. So, how do you keep going even when motivation dips? Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. First step is to track your progress, whether it's through a journal, an app, or photos. Seeing your improvements can be incredibly motivating. Next, find a support system. This could be friends, families, or an online community that shares your goals. Having someone to share your journey with makes it easier to stay accountable. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan if needed. Very important. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan if needed. Life happens and it's okay to change things up. The important thing is to keep going. The important thing is to keep going, even if the path isn't perfect. Finally, remember why you started. Whether it's to feel healthier, be more active with your kids, or just feel better in your own skin. Keeping your why front and center will help you push through the tough days. Healthy weight loss is not a sprint, it's a marathon. By making sustainable lifestyle changes, you're not just working towards a number on the scale, but towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, every small change adds up to big results over time. So start today, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Share your weight loss journeys or stories if you have in the comment below. We would love to hear from you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye.